Experiencing no sound from your Escort radar detector? You're not alone. This video addresses the common issue of non-functional alert volume, particularly in models like the Escort Passport Max 3, IX, and Redline 360. We'll explore the reasons behind it and, most importantly, how to fix it. Let's get your device talking again. Let's break down how the alert volume system works in Escort radar detectors. It involves a built-in speaker or auxiliary output connected to the vehicle's audio system. Software controls manage volume levels for different alert types, such as X-band, K-band, and other radar frequencies. These controls can be adjusted via buttons or mobile apps. Volume issues often stem from mute mode activation, loose connections, blown speakers, or firmware bugs. These can cause silent or low volume alerts. Ensuring a stable 12-volt DC power supply is crucial, as fluctuations can affect audio output. The speaker impedance should typically be 4 to 8 ohms for proper matching. Before diving deep into complex fixes, let's try some quick troubleshooting steps that often resolve common audio problems in Escort radar detectors. First, cycle the power by turning the detector completely off and then back on. This can clear temporary glitches or stuck settings that cause silent alerts. Next, check that the detector isn't in mute mode. Sometimes buttons get pressed accidentally or default settings activate mute. Verify the volume controls are not set to 0. Check all cable connections for looseness. Loose wiring can interrupt the audio signal path. Ensure power and speaker cables are securely plugged in. Try resetting the detector to its factory settings. This clears any corrupted configurations that might be causing audio issues, restoring default volume and alert behaviors. Finally, use your Escort Live app to test speaker output. The app's diagnostic tools can play test tones and confirm if the audio is working properly through the detector. These simple steps often resolve many common audio problems, saving time before seeking professional help. Software solutions can resolve many alert volume issues. Escort regularly releases firmware updates to fix audio glitches. Check for the latest version, such as version 2.4 for the Passport series, released in late 2025. These updates include adaptive volume controls that automatically adjust based on your vehicle's speed and ambient noise levels. The Escort Live app for iOS and Android now includes diagnostic tools to test your audio output and verify that your device has the latest software installed. When software updates fail to restore alert volume, the problem often lies in the hardware components of the radar detector. Common hardware issue is a degraded or blown internal speaker, which can fail due to wear or electrical damage. To replace the speaker module, disassemble the unit carefully. This requires tools and technical skill and may void your warranty if not done by authorized service. Wiring shorts are another frequent cause of volume loss, where electrical connections become compromised. Soldering connections can fix wiring issues, but proceed with caution, as improper soldering may cause further damage. Use a multimeter to test continuity. Let's examine real-world case studies. A Reddit user encountered silent alerts on their Escort Passport Max 3 after installing a software update. The issue persisted despite multiple restarts, indicating a potential speaker fault. Using Escort's diagnostic app, the user ran a system check that pinpointed the speaker module as faulty. Replacing the internal speaker component, which cost about $20, restored full audio functionality. Another common example involves wiring shorts in the Escort Redline 360 model. Users reported intermittent volume loss that worsened over time. A popular YouTube teardown video demonstrated soldering loose connections within the unit. This DIY fix has been replicated by thousands of users, restoring consistent audio alerts without needing professional service. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding volume issues in radar detectors. Experts say 70% of problems are user-related, like incorrect settings. Annually, check for firmware updates to fix bugs and improve audio performance. Use the Escort Live app for diagnostics and ensure your device stays current. Current trends include app-controlled detectors with Bluetooth audio streaming for stable sound, and AI-driven alerts that prevent volume dropouts by analyzing driving conditions. Looking ahead, future models may integrate with smart assistants for voice-guided alerts, potentially eliminating hardware issues altogether. Be wary of counterfeit Escort detectors, as these fake units often lack proper audio components that can cause silent alerts or poor sound quality. Always purchase from authorized retailers to ensure you get a genuine product with full warranty protection and access to official support. If volume problems persist after trying basic fixes, contact Escort's customer support team for professional assistance and potential hardware replacement. Remember to regularly check the Escort website and Escort Live app for the latest troubleshooting guides, firmware updates, and diagnostic tools that can help resolve audio issues. With the right approach and genuine Escort products, you can get your radar detector sounding its alerts loud and clear.